Hello, today we will guide you through how to hide account number on ThinkorSwim. Let's get started by opening the ThinkorSwim app. Once you're signed in and on the main workspace, give the platform a second to load your watch lists and charts. We'll focus on the top left area of the screen where your account information appears. This is typically where you see your account name and number, along with some quick stats about your balances and buying power. Look to that top left corner and locate the account display. If you have multiple accounts, you may see a drop-down arrow. That's normal. Right in that same section, you should also see a line labeled Option Buying Power. This line is clickable and serves as a helpful doorway to privacy-related controls, including the setting to hide your account number. Click on Option Buying Power. When you do, a small panel or menu will open with additional details and controls. In this panel, look for the toggle related to showing or hiding your account number. The exact wording can vary slightly depending on your version, but the control will be clear once you are in the right spot. To hide your account number, turn off the toggle. When toggled off, the number in your account display will immediately be masked, often replaced with asterisks or dots. Take a moment to confirm the change. Look back at the top left account area and make sure the full account number is no longer visible. This is especially important if you plan to share your screen, record tutorials, or trade in public spaces. If you ever need to reveal the number again for support or verification, simply return to the same place and turn the toggle back on. A few quick tips as you wrap up. If you don't see the Option Buying Power line, try expanding the Account section by clicking anywhere in the account display. Sometimes the panel is collapsed by default. After you hide your number, navigate through a couple of tabs such as Monitor, Trade, or Charts to make sure the mask carries across views. It usually does, but it's good practice to double-check before presenting or streaming. That's it. You've successfully hidden your account number in ThinkorSwim. Keeping this setting off helps protect your privacy without affecting your trading functionality. Thanks for following along, and feel free to repeat these steps anytime you want to quickly switch between privacy and full visibility.